There are many benefits to decorating your home. It can improve your mood. Surrounding yourself with beautiful and well-designed objects can have a positive effect on your mental and emotional state. Studies have shown that exposure to nature, art, and other aesthetically pleasing things can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can make you feel more comfortable and relaxed. A well-decorated home is a place where you can truly relax and unwind. The right colors, textures, and furniture can create a sense of peace and tranquility. Home decor can boost your creativity. Decorating your home can be a creative outlet. It's a chance to express your personality and style through the things you choose to surround yourself with. There are several woodworking projects you can make to decorate your home. A plus benefit is that you can also sell these woodworking projects for profit if you want to make additional income. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful woodworking projects ideas for profit or home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Home decor can improve your home's resale value. If you ever decide to sell your home, a well-decorated interior can make it more attractive to buyers. When you have guests over, you want them to feel comfortable and at home. A well-decorated home can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Decorating your home doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be a fun and rewarding way to express yourself and make your home a more enjoyable place to live. If you're looking for ways to improve your home's appearance, functionality, and value, home decor is a great place to start. With a little planning and effort, you can create a space that you love and that makes you feel good. Home decor is an essential part of creating a comfortable and welcoming living space. It involves selecting and arranging furniture, accessories, and decorative items to create a cohesive and visually appealing environment. The need for home decor goes beyond aesthetics, as it can also impact our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. One of the most significant benefits of home decor is the ability to personalize your living space. Your home should be a reflection of your personality, interests, and style. By selecting furniture, accessories, and decorative items that you love, you can create a space that feels uniquely yours. Personalization can also help you feel more connected to your home and increase your sense of comfort and belonging. In addition to aesthetics, home decor also plays a crucial role in creating a functional living space. Furniture and accessories should be selected based on their practicality and usefulness. By prioritizing functionality in your home decor choices, you can create a space that meets your practical needs as well as your aesthetic preferences. Home decor can also help with organization and clutter management. By selecting furniture with built-in storage solutions or adding decorative baskets or shelves, you can create designated spaces for items and reduce clutter. A well-organized living space can help reduce stress and increase productivity by promoting a sense of order and control. Home decor is also essential in creating a sense of home. Your living space should be a place where you feel comfortable, safe, and at ease. By selecting decor that aligns with your personal style and preferences, you can create a space that feels like a true reflection of you. Additionally, a well-decorated home can help create a welcoming environment for guests and loved ones. The first step in creating a well-decorated home is defining your personal style. This can involve gathering inspiration from magazines, websites, or social media platforms. Once you have a clear idea of your style preferences, you can begin selecting furniture, accessories, and decorative items that align with your vision. The woodworking projects shown in this video will surely improve your home decor and help you achieve what you are looking for. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful woodworking projects ideas for profit or home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.